amaguru akarima amatuka emerongene
na kirayu hagenrete bono ni gotoka muri kiroro botironde bunani go chigosori cyabere cyikoene kiwasegeti kariya Gusii stadium abagisikuru cyo ubundi cyabere cyikwe bwateraniye sobwa munako nyara ko gosori ni gono chigosori cyo cyabachigwe komweri yo haseri tukuria rero no naboni go chigo chikenda sekera ngo kende kerene kya nationals uno muri kiton demo Steven agotomanya
Inse ya matukabere niko chigosori cy'eskuru cyo bundi cyagendera igwa segeti kya Gusii stadium go ikomo eliyoye
Mashindano imekuwa sawa, matayarisho yalikuwa sawa kabisa na maandalizi sasa imekuwa sawa. Hata mashindano yenyewe tulianza jana na mpaka wa leo tunakaribia hata kumaliza. Tumeona hali ni ya juu na competition pia iko juu kabisa. Lakini katika vio vyetu vingine tunasema Nyanza competition iko tight na tunawangoja katika nationals.
Ababuya sebirengo ao niko banyorebie wane bikombe asegati abale twasanga nabwo kurwa chiskuru ao bagokero bobuyi bwabo.
I participated in discus boys and I emerged to be position 1. So I'm targeting so that in our final ile nini national level so that I can proceed and go to AK trials.
Race umekuja imekuwa kali lakini we thank God we manage.
Labda nini ile ilikuwa outstanding kwenu kuwa na good features na kumaliza vizuri?
Challenge tumeona hatuja train ya kutosha. Tumepewa less days to train but we thank our coach tumemanage.
Abarigani bechigosore chinigo baisane kire na machibu alikiwa sentundeye ekiorokererio buna chigosori chiakinire mechi skuru korwa rogongo rwa Nyanza.
Nasoma Mawego TTI. Nilikuwa nacheza high jump. Nikacheza vizuri. Na nataka kuambia wenye wanatazama hivi. Ukicheza kwa player unaweza cheza uende mbali sana. Saa hii tutaenda mbali, tutatoka Gusii twende AK. Sasa nawaomba tena nawatakia kila laheri.
Naitwa Ombija Felix kutoka Ramogi Institute of Advanced Technology in Kisumu. I was participating in 1500 meters. Though I trained well, everything was okay. I only had a challenge in managing my time, but it was actually good. I think I had the best time. I had 3.68, and I think that is the best. So I'm trying to work so hard so that I can go and adjust in my time in the national level. And also that I'll go to the Team Kenya, I'll make the Team Kenya.
Magega yo kwera kwa marigani chigosori cha Great Lakes Region esechiskuru chobo bundi aiga segeti kya Gusii stadium niga barigani ba ama merani abanyare otebabuna niga bire bie kerengo kyeigora ase bato gosemelibuna ase chigosori echekerengo keri kya nationals chiskuru korwa ase ya Nyanza nyare gokoria buya ko reporter ya Ndizi TV korwa aiga segeti kya Gusii stadium eretariane Ndemo Steven captain 001.